today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to change device temp on this device. So first we should go to the Temps application, tap there, and as can you see we just get set at the default temp. We can switch these, for example, to the device font, and now just tap here to apply to change the temp on our device, and we, as can you see, we'll see here the changes of our applications, and now we'll see all the changes. So we should get wait a couple of seconds. And now, as can you see, we applied the new temp on our device successfully. We got the another color of our applications, also like the shape of our notifications, and the wallpaper, and also so as can you see, that's how it looks, and that's how to change the device temp on Honor 8X. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.